Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Next station, Ubay Central. Station berikutnya, Ubay Central. You have arrived at your destination.
So guys, kita sekarang berada di dalam flight menghala ke Changsha. Changsha, bukan.
Saya.
So sayang, apa kita akan buat di Changsha?
Changsha ni saya dah lama sangat-sangat kat rumah. Sebenarnya ini adalah tempat di mana I am a singer, Hunan TV.
So kita masuk TV lah ni.
Ya.
So guys, setelah sekian lama tidak masuk TV di China,
Bukan masa TV China. Setelah sekian lama saya tak ke Hunan TV. 12 tahun.
last is I am a singer lah.
Betul.
12 years and come back di Hunan TV. Hunan TV ni adalah stesen TV yang paling ramai tontonan di negara China, which is berapa juta?
Masa zaman saya dulu, masa I am Singer season tu, 500 juta.
500 juta.
Sekarang saya tak tahu berapa. Ya Allah, punyalah gobok. Saya tak sempat gosok tudung hari ni. Kita memang menantikan peluang ni lah. Dan saya bukan ke program Singer 2026 ni untuk bertanding, but actually saya akan berduet dengan salah seorang daripada penyanyi dalam Singer 2026 ni lah. Beliau sejenis yang suka nyanyi lagu-lagu lama macam Elvis Presley. Muda lagi.
Berapa umur dia?
Dia tahun 2002.
Tahun 2002 dah dapat duet dengan Sheila Hamzah. Artis tersebut merupakan
Elliot James Ray.
kalau kat Malaysia tu dia dikenali dengan lagu yang ini.
All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch.
And then at the same time, insyaAllah is around minggu ni ataupun minggu depan pun kita nak release date untuk tour China juga.
Yes.
So this is very good for me.
Yes.
And sekembalinya saya ni with my new team and with my husband. Itu yang menariknya. Yang tak menariknya sayang, dulu masa saya pergi I Am Singer ni pun saya buat makeup sendiri juga.
So hari ni guys, Shima tiada.
Shima tiada guys. Shima busy. So saya akan buat makeup sendiri juga this time. Hopefully okay lah Ada bulu mata saya ingat ke apa.
So doakan guys, inilah makanan yang boleh kita makan lah dalam flight ni. Roti, color, apple juice dan juga ayak. So kita akan berada di sana dalam 5 hari, 5 ke 6 hari. So hari ni hari Selasa. So kita akan balik pada hari Jumaat atau Jumaat lah, Sabtu atau Ahad lah.
Saya belum dengar lagu lagi guys. Besok rehearsal. Macam ni lah keadaan saya dulu ya. Tapi masa tu umur saya 24 tahun sayang. Ini kali selepas 2 orang anak, umur 36 tahun, lagu belum dapat, belum ada bunyi lagi. Esok rehearsal.
Tak apa, kita cuba yang terbaik. Sebab Sheila Hamzah power.
Jangan tutup. Nampak tuan saya.
And jangan lupa touring China kita dan juga konsert di Genting Highland guys. Ini bakal berlangsung pada 15 Ogos 2026. Dan untuk China touring kita akan inform dan berkemungkinan akan bermula juga pada bulan 8. Itu saja laporan daripada PA Sejati. Oh, kali ni kita bawakan daripada Malaysia, tim Sheila Hamzah, 2 orang je. Saya dan juga Aini.
Betul.
Ya, dan di China adalah lagi 3 orang.
Ya, 4 orang actually.
4 orang. Betul, lagi 4 orang.
Tapi tak ada stylist, tak ada makeup artist ni.
Tak apa, we can do this.
So, tolong buat tudung saya.
Boleh. Tak ada masalah guys. So lepas ni kita akan mendarat.
We have arrived.
By the way, kita berada di Saint Tropez Hotel di Changsha. Inilah keadaan hotelnya. Ada pokok kurma, ada FIFA guys. Sini pun ada siaran rasmi tak silap saya CCTV ke apa tadi, saya dah chat GPT. So kita boleh tengok lah game World Cup malam ni.
Perjalanan daripada airport ke sini dalam setengah jam macam tu. Sekarang kita orang tengah nak check in, lepas tu nak pergi makan. To be honest, schedule untuk besok belum dapat lagi. Saya baru je dapat lagu tadi. Cuma lirik tu belum tahu lagi sebab since ni lagu duet. Cuma ni first draft of dia punya arrangement lagu ni. Tapi dulu masa saya dekat I'm Singer pun sama juga. Hari Rabu, kadang hari Khamis baru dapat. Hari Jumaat ke hari Sabtu dulu saya live. So kena persiapkan minda je.
Okay, kita dah check in tadi. Akan naik bagi untuk menghala ke kita punya bilik. Sini macam vibe-vibe villa kan. Dia punya staff semua pun pakai baju ada tema Hawaii.
Kita pergi makan. Kita dah welcome to Bali.
Okay guys, dah sampai kita punya bilik. Okay guys, luggage semua kita dah angkat tadi. And then dah naik sini, terus ke sini. Inilah bilik kita.
Yes, welcome.
Dah buka lah
Biasa kita ada powder room. Powder room kat sini. Tentang.
Okay.
And then ni dia punya kitchen dia lah. Kitchen area. Lepas tu
Mak, kalau dah Melayu tu memang kena buka kasut.
living room sini.
Living room guys.
Okay, living room. Ada buah.
Boleh tengok FIFA.
Ada TV sayang.
Ada TV guys.
Oh,
besar.
Bau ubat nyamuk.
Dia memang dekat sini banyak nyamuk lah Nyamuk sini gemuk-gemuk guys.
Gemuk.
Serius, cukup makan nyamuk sini.
Ni.
Inilah tempat make up dia.
And then sini toilet lah biasa.
Toilet macam mana? Ada bathtub.
Oh, bathtub. Betul-betul bau ubat nyamuk. Diorang baru lepas spray ke?
Memang kena ni lah perfume lah nanti
Memang kena.
Habis baju bau ni.
Memang bau ubat nyamuk ni, serius.
Okay, very nice, simple. Dia macam konsep lama kan. Ni boleh tembus. Tembus sini boleh. So inilah dia guys. So kat luar adalah dia punya suasananya kat luar juga. Tapi tak nampak lah, gelap.
Jalan kat
Yang tu macam timpak je lah, tu timpak dia.
Kan saya cakap, tu.
Sorry agaknya tak nampak, nanti esok saya tunjuk. Tu ada timpak dia juga. Tu tak payahlah nak buka-buka Nyamuk nanti.
Thank you very much. Sekian.
Untuk day 1 saya rasa ni je. Kita nak pergi makan. Ni makan tak payahlah buat vlog.
Okay.
So
Esok
ada jadual.
Ada jadual tapi dia start malam. Cuma siang tu maybe Syah nak buat sedikit video lah kot.
Okay, insyaAllah. So
Yay,
bye-bye.
sebab sayang saya ada dengan saya this time in Changsha.
Yay. Okay guys, Assalamualaikum. Kita jumpa esok. Bye-bye. Selamat morning guys. Selamat morning. Kita nak breakfast. Tak breakfast lah, brunch lah So kita punya brunch hari ni, saya first time tengok benda ni. Dia mi kan, ni normal lah kan. Tapi kuah dia dalam ni. Panas tau, masih panas.
Qingzhen halal.
Saya tak tahu macam mana dia letak dalam ni lah. Mungkin pakai corong ke apa. Nak unik the packaging. So jom makan. Ayo kita. Okay, inilah guys, luarnya saya cakap dengan anda semalam. Itu timpak dia sama itu, dia macam Disney lah, Disney. Ni macam rumah-rumah macam castle-castle gitu kan. Best, okay. Kita makan dulu guys. Okay, kita akan berjumpa dengan artis kita.
Ya.
So, nantikan.
kamu tu.
Okay guys.
People should know it.
It is.
And I think from the way that I've been playing the game, I chose Queen last week,
You did amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So, but that to me was, again, I was told that song is not popular here. But I thought, well, if I give the best vocal performance I could possibly give, then it doesn't matter what song we choose, really. Notice as well.
Yeah, but I was shocked that the song that you chose is not something that I'm not. I heard before.
Back a bit now and sing something pretty and showcase an actual duet or something. And rather than you sing a verse, I sing a verse, you sing a verse, finish. You know what I mean? It's a bit boring.
Yeah. We're gonna do it again at the next part.
Okay, so you take the whole of that bit.
So you took this whole
Right the way
bit.
through to Like a River Flows.
Yeah, Like a River Flows. I take this, right? Like a River Flows.
Yeah.
And up until.
You're talking about this line?
This line, yeah.
I'll play it.
Yeah.
We gotta reach for the stars.
I love anything goreng really, anything
Me
fried.
too. Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng, mee goreng.
Do you like nasi lemak?
I like nasi lemak if
I tried it. I couldn't.
Because the one that they always show other people are not the authentic ones.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I think I tried it and it came in like a.
Oh,
a
in
leaf.
the leaves, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's not for everyone. The smell of it.
It's fish, isn't it? Is it
the anchovies.
anchovies? That's
Ah,
it.
you don't like the anchovies. I get it. 回到家乡的那种感觉，你知道吗？因为我在歌手的时候，我完全不能说中文，然后我跟我老公说，我跟我公司说，哎 ，this is like something just a deja vu。所以呢，我特别开心，特别荣幸，也特别感恩，就是因为歌手真的让我有那么大的机会，然后我特别感谢歌手给我这个机会。I got so nervous.
No, you
singing.
shouldn't have. You shouldn't. You didn't sound nervous.
No, I'm pretty much quite good at hiding it. Honestly. But yeah, it's.
So are you two full of confidence for this partnership?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very, very much so.
100%. Now, but by then, maybe 120%.
Definitely.
Oh.
133.
I'm gonna hype myself.
133% is my number.
Yeah. Yay.
Okay.
Kita dah habis praktis dengan Elliot. Sekarang kita akan pergi ke venue for rehearsal.
Yeah. Let's go, guys.
Let's go, guys.
加油，加油，加油！ Marilah kita. Okay guys, kita dah sampai di Hunan TV.
Yeay. Dah sampai.
Let's go. So inilah dia Astro dia lah. Astro dia, RTM dia macam ni lah. Sangat-sangat mewah. Dah macam airport guys. Kita ke studio.
Kita akan ke studio. Buat pertama kalinya tengok stage dia depan-depan. Saya berhasil untuk tengok from the video je kan. Dekat Tepon.
So jom kita saksikan. Marilah kita masuk.
Very far because they're not violins. You can hear every finger movement on this. So. Oh, nice.
So guys, inilah dia punya auditorium lah. Ini bukan studio dah ni. Auditorium. So ada seat-seat atas sana semua. And the stage is so huge. Inilah. Ini sangat-sangat luar biasa. Okay. Wow. Okay guys, 15 cam guys. Ni master lah. The whole loop. Oh. Bapa. Macam ni
I don't know, which side do you think?
luar biasa. Luar biasa.
Would it be
So it goes, some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. I can't help falling in love with you. Only for Take my
Take my whole life too.
For I can't help falling in love with you.
Like having clouds shooting to the sea.
And so it goes, something I'm meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can't help falling in love with you. Take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you.
Selesai.
Selesai. Polo-polo tiap kita.
Panas ke atas tu?
Panas. Sebab banyak kali kan, tapi okey je. Cuma kita nak bila lagu baru dapat, baru jumpa, nak cari chemistry tu memang akan ambil masa. Tapi chemistry dari segi macam kita nak communicate semua tu tak ada masalah sebab he is very nice kan. Either is very nice, he's very open. And then but then because he is competing kan, so dia kena banyak memikirkan ni okey ke tak, ni okey ke tak, tengok pada keselesaan dia juga. So saya sebagai penyanyi duet dia kena datang sebagai dia punya support. So apa yang boleh menjadikan performance kita tu lagi interesting and diingati. Macam tu aja. Mesti boleh.
Tema untuk minggu ni adalah Sing with Legend.
Sing with Legends.
So awak lah legend.
Jangan cakap macam tu. Alah, biasa-biasa je. Okey, sekarang ni kita berada di bilik interview. Bilik gelap. Selalunya program I Am Singer ni dia akan ada interview yang dia akan tunjuk sebelum nyanyi. Kita kadang-kadang online. So yeah. You want to say something to the camera?
Hello.
So say hi to my husband over there. You said you know some Malay words. You tahu Melayu tau?
Oh.
A little bit.
Oh,
What is it?
What do you know in Malay?
I know. It's been a while since I've spoken any Malay.
Okay.
I know terima kasih
That's good enough.
and sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
You gotta have manners.
Oh, okay. Yes, of course. Such a gentleman. And
Lep-
food.
Lepak lu.
Lepak lu.
Lepak lu.
Who taught you this?
Atalia.
Atalia.
Lepak lu. And he knows Mama. Oh, he loves Mama, man.
We had a mamak when we stayed. Well, I lived in Malaysia for like 3 months.
3 bulan, guys.
On COVID
Oh, during COVID, right? Was it
After COVID.
After
After
COVID.
2022.
2022. Yeah.
I see.
3 months with Mama. Oh, mi goreng, nasi goreng. Which one is your favorite?
I liked Maggi Goreng.
Maggi.
Maggi
Oh,
goreng.
yes.
Different twist, I liked it. But I liked roti tissue.
Oh, roti tissue.
Oh, the long one.
Roti tissue.
That was good. We had that on a big plate and it was huge.
Were you sharing them or you just?
Yep. I think it was like 8 of us, 9 of us.
Oh.
There's a good few of us.
Oh.
But
Are you
I
planning
miss
to?
it. I miss Johnny's.
Oh, Johnny's.
Yeah.
You like Johnny's?
Yeah. And I used to play pool, snooker at I've forgotten the name of it.
Where are you staying? Like in KL?
Yeah, I'll show you. Show you in a map.
Ooh, dahsyat.
3 months. That's a long time. Do you know any Chinese now?
I know Ni Hao
Ni hao. Okay.
and my lines from the other day.
Uh?
Zoe Ren.
是啥？
走掉也淘汰
走一人
走一人。
哦，走一人。
Do you know her
走一人
name?
Do you know my name in Chinese?
I don't know your name in Chinese. I barely know my name in Chinese.
Okay.
And it's literally alert.
So try and guess my name in Chinese.
Is it Sheila?
Yeah. Sheila.
Sheila.
You know, with Chinese they have tones.
So
you need to
it's
follow
the tone.
exactly
Right,
like
okay.
how the music goes. Like if I say Sheila, you have to
Sheila.
Sheila.
Is
Yeah.
it Shira?
Sheila.
Shira.
So
Shira. It should be easy for singers, right?
yeah, come on.
So, we mimic things all the time.
Yeah, you can say.
This is where so I used to play snooker here at DP Snooker.
Oh, Damansara Perdana. Oh, okay,
And
so Damansara.
I actually had an interview with a guy when I went back to Malaysia,
Uh-huh.
and I told him that I played at DP Snooker,
Uh-huh.
and he just he stopped for like 2 seconds,
Uh-huh.
looked at me, and then burst out laughing at me. And he couldn't stop laughing at the idea that I'd been into this place, because
Is it dodgy?
he said it was a little dodgy, but we stayed like here.
Is that like Empire or something?
Empire.
Oh, Empire.
Empire Damansara.
Yeah. It is.
I liked it. We didn't have a lot of money back then. I was just
Yeah.
trying to make sure that we had somewhere to stay, and we Airbnb'd, but the apartment was quite nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looked really nice. It's just
Yeah, but I was so happy that the snooker was there, so I could just walk.
You walked it.
Yeah. And then the Mamak was
Poor
down here,
boy. Poor boy.
somewhere here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want to drive in the city because, like the mopeds, I didn't want to get the mopeds because
Yeah.
it's a bit dangerous
It is.
in the city. When I was traveling like outside of the city, I was fine. So like I did Thailand, and we would drive the mopeds.
We
Yeah.
love Thailand.
I love Thailand.
Thailand,
It's
very
great.
good.
I love Thailand, sir. Kakak.
Sekarang kita ada interview dalam kereta.
Ya,
Itu
mobil-mobil.
Dia punya antara sponsor lah kot rasanya, if I'm not mistaken lah. So bagi diorang settle kan dulu interview ni, nanti barulah kita pergi makan ke apa semua. Yeah, ni anak-anak host, peserta dan juga artis undangan Sing with Legend. Okay guys, kita pulang ke kampung kita. Okay, sampai sudah. Aman sini, aman. Nak jogging pun hujan. Kita ke bilik kita je lah ya.
Selesai sudah untuk hari ni. Esok lagi. Esok
Khamis.
hari Khamis. Jumaat dah live sayang.
Oh, okay. So macam mana hari ni?
Hari ni to be honest ya kita baru je jumpa kan, and then baru dengar arrangement semua. Saya agak mencabar lah sebenarnya. Sangat-sangat mencabar lah sebab beliau pun ada banyak idea dia tu sendiri, and at the same time saya kena kira matching-kan. Being a duet partner ni yang paling susah tu, kita kena matchingkan dengan duet partner kita kan. So saya sedang berusaha untuk kira kata orang untuk samakan chemistry, penceritaan kami tu atas stage, some movements, benda-benda macam tu lah, benda-benda teknikal lah. Esok kita orang akan practice lagi sebab sebenarnya arrangement kami akan ditukar lagi.
Tukar lagi?
Yes.
Kenapa kena tukar?
Arrangement yang dapat tadi tu akan tukar lagi. Tapi benda ni bukan perkara asing dekat dalam competition ni. Saya dulu pun sama juga. Kita try lah mendengarkan apa pula arrangement besok. Jumpa esok guys. Thank you for watching and being here.
Kita nak pergi
Bye. Kita nak pergi makan apa. Hi guys.
Kita dah siap untuk rehearsal second day.
Yang pertama
Yes.
untuk dah pakai baju.
Tapi fans, macam mana fans boleh tahu kita punya hotel semua ni?
Fans awak lah ni baby.
Sorry guys, saya kena main fans je. Kantoi guys.
好，谢谢啊，因为要马上要彩排。
加油加油姐姐，加油就可以了，好吗？抱歉了，加油。Jauh sikit. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, sudah selamat di dalam kereta. Kita akan ke venue Macam Elvis lah. Sampai sudah Unan Broadcasting TV. Guys, kita akan berpraktis dulu dengan Elliot.
This is my manager, Darren.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
From Australia.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he flew from Sydney.
Oh,
We just
wow.
got here.
So I just got here.
Oh, wow.
I left yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Elliot, nice to meet you.
Oh, this one is a very important. Yeah. The back.
没问题，他把它做小就 OK 了，把它做小就行，你们不要拉。
2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3.
OK OK， wait， 再来一次，再来一次什么？
So we turn back to back.
Your safety is the priority.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, Jacob.
还不错，很漂亮。耶，是啦，是
Ada
啦，
punya
是啦，是
tak
啦，哈
buzzing.
比心，比心，比心。
Huh?
Let me have a
Still,
photo.
still ada macam semalam juga aku kata bila aku kat atas sini.
Let's have our photo.
Wah, gila lighting. Okey, boleh mula.
But I can't help falling in love with you. Take my hand, take my whole life through, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Okay guys, selesai rehearsal tadi. Sekarang kita ada proses photoshoot. Oh, dia kena pasiak betul loh. Pasiak. So, dia akan pergi dulu. Next nanti ya, Sheila Hamzah pula lah. You ada shoot the VT. So yeah.
Like right now, it's just your eye on the screen. Oh,
Vivo guys.
I can see your pores. I know. Hi.
Well, I've been a fan of yours for like the longest time.
Thank you so much.
Yes, my name is Rose.
Hi Rose,
Yes,
nice to meet you.
Oh my god, so pretty! Oh my god, did you already rehearse?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
So,
I can't wait to hear your performance. I'm so excited.
so much.
Oh my god. Yeah, so if it's okay, we can take a picture.
Yes, of course, of course.
Do you have a certain side that you like?
I'm okay with anything, girl.
Okay. I prefer right side.
Okay, okay, let's
Okay.
Alright, thank you so much. I can't wait to hear your performance. No problem. My pleasure. Thank you. Good luck to you.
So guys, esok semua kru akan berada di sini. Sebab yang boleh masuk 2 orang je. So kat sini akan ada TV besar lah. Kat sini akan ada TV besar and semua kru team semua akan duduk sini lah. So sekarang kita tunggu je lah Sheila Hamzah habis. Lepas tu dia keluar, barulah boleh sambung vlog. Okay, selesai.
Selesai dah rehearsal hari ni. Besok adalah the real thing. Doakan guys.
Mana cerita kau panjat tangga tadi?
Saya panjat sampai tingkat 10.
Naik dengan ni.
Ya. Saya nak pakai Crocs besok.
Bagus, bagus.
We
Tahniah.
survive. We survive. A lot of workout. Rigo was like, I'm so hungry.
With all the chimes.
Baik.
Jumpa besok.
Alright. Saya tunggu kat luar ni 4 jam. 4 jam menunggu. Dan beliau telah pun habis rehearsal, full dress. So esok benda yang sama akan jadi. The flow and everything adalah benda yang sama. So kita jumpa esok lah guys. Alhamdulillah. Hey guys, it's a show day. Sheila Hamzah ready for rehearsal. Lepas ini kita akan balik ke hotel semula. Habis rehearsal and then prepare for the last one. Barulah the actual show. So kita nantikan selepas ini.
Hello.
Kita akan pergi menari dulu guys.
Yang menari dengan Ubay.
Praktis dulu. Lepas tu dah okey, dah smooth.
So Ubay kata ada benda as a choreographer.
Nah, betul.
Nak kena betulkan.
Tambah sikit buat handstand. Backflip. Mana? Abang-abang lah, adik-adik dia. So terbagilah orang praktis dulu. Kita bersantai. Saya ni guys ada posting ni. Lepas tu ada klien duk kejar-kejar kan. Beginilah guys, kerja jarak jauh pun cakap susah juga sebab China ni mostly ada website yang kita tak boleh nak access. Website yang kita tak boleh nak access. And then apa ni, TikTok pun ada certain video yang tak lepas lah. TikTok saya dah boleh buka dah, tapi ada beberapa yang tak lepas. So kita kena fikir-fikirkan lah. Kena ada orang kat Malaysia juga yang handle. So kalau nak kerja, tolong beritahu. Selesai menari, jom kita rehearsal di dalam.
Rehearsal buat kali yang terakhir sebelum live malam ni.
Yes. Itu dah guys, let's go. Okay guys, let's go.
I'm meant to be. For I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you.
So kita akan kembali ke hotel guys.
We're going back to the hotel guys. Selesai sudah. Kita punya rehearsal tadi. Alhamdulillah, it was so much better than yesterday. Kita pun rasa macam we had a good rest kan, well rested. Lepas tu 我觉得今天的表现比昨天晚上好很多了。So singing a duet song is not necessarily an easy thing to do, kan sayang kan?
Ya betul.
So every single time pun kita kena make sure yang kita sebagai pasangan duet tak overdo and to keep the balance and to have a cohesive and balanced performance.
Don't
Sangat-sangat
kill your
penting.
partner.
Don't kill your partner. It's not a competition between both of us, you know. So kita memang nak make sure. Me and Elliot, we wanted this performance to be
Beautiful,
remembered,
great,
and we wanted it to be something that people will
remember,
pour their heart into. Lepas tu lagi satu, kita orang punya cubalah, kita orang cuba untuk nak buat benda ni sebab when I got the song lagu Falling in Love with You ni, dia Syah dengan Elliot tak dapat nak cari any reference
for duet,
on how to make this song a beautiful duet. Sebab usually lagu ni memang dinyanyikan oleh solo artist je. So that's why Syah rasa macam the fact that we get to do this below 3 days is just amazing lah. Dengan pertukaran banyak kali arrangement, melodies.
And andai kata berbattle pun kan, pun tak boleh kill partner.
Betul.
Let's say in the program
sebab, bila
competition,
dia duet, memang
duet ke battle ke,
so setiap kita punya ad-lib dan apa benda yang kita nak buat kat atas stage tu, we need to plan it properly so that it's not going to look like we're trying to kill each other or we're trying to, you know, when it's not unison, when you just sounding like you just want to tear each other's apart. That's when you lose the performance balance, the beauty of having to perform together.
Yes, that's what I mean. So kita akan kembali malam ini. Okay, sudah sampai. Sudah rehat semua.
Kali ke berapa dah pakai baju ni? Kali ketiga dah.
Alright, sekarang ada interview session sebelum pergi start nyanyi lah. Okay guys, selesai interview. Okay guys, kita duduk depan sekali, penuh kat belakang. Paling besar TV dia. Kita satu geng lah kat depan ni semua dengan tim kita. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys.
其实12年前呢，在50个第2季，希拉给我们带来了一个经典永流传的画面。我们现在来一起看一下。哎呦，非常非常绝。There's an icon.
My stage partner today, it's my musical guest.
We can make you to go to the final.
Thank you.
我真的有信心，我对啊。要一起来。
Dah ready di belakang. Mari kita saksikan. Let's go guys. Okey, sekarang proses mengundi guys. Undi-undi sebab ada battle tadi kan. So nak tengoklah siapa menang, Elliot ke ataupun yang lagi seorang tu. Okey guys, inilah dia keputusannya.
他就是让我们恭喜艾略特率先晋级月度决赛。
暂时落入到
Guys, Haaland guys. Haaland girlfriend dia jadi duta
My baby. I cried.
Why you cry?
After the performance.
Why?
I'm sad.
You did great.
Thank you, Ayang. You really.
Yes, I watch you man.
You watch me, man.
Yeah man.
Really, bro.
Yeah. Syukur guys, syukur.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Anytime. I cried just now. It's like, I was like, it's like a crier for no freaking reason.
I cry, I'm gonna cry now.
Thank you so much. It was lovely to see you. So, and to get to know you and everybody. You've been amazing.
老师，我们可以合照一张吗？
哦，你要合照？对，我们就 take photo. Please keep in touch. Do you have the contact? Yeah.
Ini mana gambar lu?
来吧，可以跟我们一起啊！可以，看我一起当然呀！
来，3、2，看我3，好，
好嘞，我拍了大家。
辛苦了。OK，辛苦了。Yeah， 再见。哦。
Do you want to do the guess who I met?
Oh, okay.
Or you said guess who I met.
Okay.
And then Corinne was like, I met you.
Okay, alright, okay. I can do that.
Yeah, guess who I met.
Okay.
Do you guys want to do one too? Okay. So we'll do one first.
Do you know who I met?
Sila!
He captured it already.
Okay, boleh. Terima kasih.
谢谢。
真的很好了。
我真的。我们真的在那边。我想不了，先横的开始讲。好的。女生过来一点。Oh sorry。哎，没事。OK， 好，3、2、1。3、2、1，好呀，谢谢老师 ，Thank you，辛苦了，哦，谁辛苦了？你看他穿什么 ？That's why he's also very 辛苦。OK， 可以。哇，好。
OK， cantik。
谢谢你。
Alright.
Out there in the backstage. I can't see you, but there's a purple.
Do I look good? Yeah, a new look. Saya rasa kan. Saya rasa macam tak cukup lah gelang-gelang saya ni.
Sign dulu. Ramai tunggu tu bahaya.
Tengok saya punya cincin pun 2 jari je.
Sign dulu.
But like in the backstage, like because
Oh, wait.
Hai, sign.
there's a live camera all the way.
That's the whole entire reason why I'm very confident. You don't want to be seen. Korang bayangkan ni first time dalam hidup Syah. Yes. Pergi naik stage dengan pakai sebanyak. Korang tengok ni.
Mami Jarum.
Mami Jarum di dalam hati.
Okay, autograph. Unregistered nose. Unregistered for sale.
Are you happy?
Satu kad 5,000.
Tapi betul guys dekat sini benda ni memang diorang jual. Kan? Diorang memang jualan ni.
Tak, tapi ni bukan nak bagi jual ni, bagi
Ayolah, tak.
bosses.
Kalau yang apa ni
Kalau gambar biasa, diorang akan print and then diorang kadang-kadang jual. Ya, tapi
Okay, jejak kasih. Oh, sudah jejak kasih guys.
第一季中国新生代。
哇，
是哦，我们是过来探班的，只是来玩的。因为谭威跟我们说，小燕子姐姐说看电影啊，
saya tak faham guys.
过来探个班。哦，然后也认识一下新的团队，我们加个微信吧。可以，我们还是可以继续保持合作。
Station
saya ada
tu.
buat satu kids show nama dia Chongguo
Yang jadi juri tu?
Saya jadi juri first season. Never jumpa apa part of the production.
Oh.
So, bila dapat tahu saya akan datang sini sebab memang dah lama tak jumpa. 2014 last.
12 years.
12 years betul.
Oh.
So guys, Fatty, Ria Akira, saya membuat kemunculan di Hunan TV, program kanak-kanak China. InsyaAllah.
Sudah satu bag dia bagi.
对，我们下次
Thank you lah.
我们8月份会来长沙巡演。
Ya, ini dah Hunan TV.
Actually, we
Saya.
Ya, betul. 1, 2, 3. Tapi dia gelap sikitnya. Okay. Selesai sudah kita punya ke show 2026. Saya menjadi rakan duet bersama Elliot. Saya wish Elliot semoga berjaya lah cakap Melayu dengan Elliot. But yeah, we all did amazing. Terima kasih sayang kerana ada dekat sini bersama dengan saya untuk journey ini.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much. Kalau tidak, kawan-kawan semua tak dapat tengok vlog ni. Tahu?
Mbak dah.
Thank you.
Bawa balik beli pasar selayang.
Aduh, the gift. Ada orang bagi kita gift guys. Nampak sangat muka kita lapar. We are hungry. Jangan lupa subscribe channel ni sebab ubah sangat penting. Okay, subscribe, like, share.
Yes.
Okay, bye guys. Assalamualaikum. Signing out.